44 in Pine Lakes, 23 for an address.
Hey, stay right there.
I didn't see her throw nothing, but his wallet's behind the van on the ground.
Behind the van.
Yeah.
There's a. See that white thing? I don't know what it is in the grass. That little patch. Don't know. It may just be paint like this, or I don't know.
I already asked Walsh if there's anything illegal in the vehicle. Would you be willing to set a search? You're off.
No, the 440, you're taking my driver 0.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah. Okay. All right, go ahead and step on out for me.
You want me to go out?
Yep.
Hold on.
Oh, I can see.
Oh, okay.
Yes, they're melting and shooting up at it.
Might have to
See
crack.
if you can open it up.
Yeah, might have to crack that open.
I'm trying to focus on these needles. There's quite a few of them. The little makeup bag that was underneath your seat, is that yours? Oh, God. The syringes in the makeup bag. What are those used for?
Drugs.
Drugs? Any drugs in that car other than the pill?
I'm sorry?
Any drugs in that car other than the pill?
Yeah.
What is the pill?
I don't know.
It's like an orange pill that was in the bag.
Is it?
In my bag?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Subutex.
Suboxone?
Yes.
That's what I thought. Orange is usually Suboxone.
Suboxone.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. What were you doing stepping out of the van when I pulled up?
I was looking for his wallet. I didn't even know you guys were behind us.
Okay.
He just pulled out of there in a hurry.
You usually use the syringes for.
This is the Golden Gin Drive in Robertsburg.
I used, and we used his ice, and I had him tonight because he picked me up and he needed help during the shot.
Yeah, if you don't mind grabbing some.
How's it going?
Going good.
Good. I'm Deputy Badman with the Sheriff's Office. You have your license and registration?
Got my license. We're looking for the registration.
I'm grabbing it right now. It's one of these.
Is this a rental or your car?
It's our car.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like I said, I paced you around 65. And the speed limit is 45, all right? So that's
My
about, you're good. It's about 20 over. But I reduced it down to you at 9 over, so it's less of a fine, okay? So you got, it's $131. You got 30 days to take care of it, okay?
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Sounds good?
Thank you so much.
All right, man. Y'all drive safe. Roll this down for me. How's it going, man? Doing all right? All right. What do you stop you for?
Said I didn't do complete stuff coming from the Circle K.
Oh, okay.
And I think my tag light fell.
Your tag lights? Someone with the tag lights? Okay. All right.
Alright.
You got a ton of stuff wrong with your license.
Give me
right
the good news and give me the bad news. Give me the bad news first.
All right. Bad news first. You're going to jail tonight.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is your third time driving on a
just take me home?
This is your third time driving on a suspended license. and you're suspended ×4 for fail to pay on stuff.
So what if I call mom? If she picks me up, one of y'all wait here. She picks me up.
So here's the good news I can do for you. Your girlfriend lives around the corner?
Yeah.
Does she have a valid license?
Yes, sir.
She can come pick up the truck. I won't tow the truck. Alright?
So there's no way I can call mom. Mom can pick me up.
What radio your radio
Taking
cut
a
out? What's
Unfortunately
the
not.
28?
You can talk to her on speaker.
Okay.
I just want to get your girlfriend here to get the truck.
What street are we on?
Which one is this? This is Armadillo, is it?
I think it's
I think we're on Armadillo.
Armadillo? Hey,
2307 hour.
can
Yeah.
you pick up the truck
Armadillo.
right here off Armadillo?
If there's any issues with it and she calls back, we'll just let them know.
Okay,
So
so
let me go ahead and see your phone. Alright. You're real cool. You know reason you're up. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Put your palms together like you're praying. It's the easiest way to go to seatbelt on you.
hey, can you take my jacket off? Cause it's pretty hot in here.
You had the heat on in the truck, man.
I'm cold, man. I was cold.
Now you want to take your jacket off.
Alright, go ahead and get on in there.
Damn. So my mugshot's gonna get posted, huh?
You what?
My mugshot's gonna be posted on the